See, this is the one of the rest stop here in towards to Selby, Montana, as in the Great Falls. This I recommend this rest area. It's really nice. Every one of these have a restroom to go. And see, this is the outside. Very nice. Hope I never see rest area like this. Nice. And it's free. And look at outside. You could sit down outside for picnic. This is the most beautiful that we've been tourist area. Very nice. I recommend this rest area. One of the beautiful. It's about probably 14 minutes from the Canada border or US border, Sweetgrass. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.